Right. Now we have the 10th MCQ, basic hydrocarbon question. So 20 is just under a general calculation that you have to know, right? It's from general chemistry. So let's see the question. Okay, now 1.92 grams of hydrocarbon C9H20 gave a complete combustion. 5.94 grams of CO2 gas and 2.7 grams of H2O vapor, let's say water vapor, was given. The mass of oxygen reacted is, so they have given the relative molecular masses. So just giving out the equation here, right? So you guys know there's an equation like CXHY. They said hydrocarbon plus O2 gives XCO2 plus Y over 2 H2O. They said it gave gas, right? Water vapor. So here you have gas. Water vapor means here also gas. So this one's stoichiometric ratio is X plus Y by 4, right? So this is the general equation formula for hydrocarbon. So in the terms of C9H10, if Y is X is 9 and H is 20, so we get C9H20 is plus 9 plus 10, so 19O2. How? X is 9, 20 by 4, sorry. So 9 plus 20 by 4, so we will get 5, so you get 14 here, right? My bad, 14O2, and you will get 9CO2 gas plus you will get by means 10 H2O gas. Keep in mind, that's a thing that you have been know that you have to know. So initial moles, here you have initial moles, then you have your reacting moles, then you have your remaining moles. Remaining moles here, right? Now let's see the thing that is going to go on with this case. Now they have given the mass of hydrocarbon, so it is 1.92. C9H20's mass that was used for combustion is 1.92 grams. So at the same time we have the amount of carbon dioxide formed, gas formed is 5.94 grams. So we have 5.94 grams. Then you have water vapor also. So water vapor gas, that is actually 2.7 grams. So exactly 2.7 grams. Right. You have to convert all of these people, right? All of these people to moles, because we are going to find everything for moles, ne? So this everything will be under moles, right? Everything will be for moles over here, right? Everything is going to be for moles, right? Now let's convert this one. So I'll be converting this guy's moles here. So you have to know the relative molecular mass. So before that, we'll go with carbon dioxide. So 5.94 divided by carbon is 12, O2 32 plus 12 44. So 44. So if you divide them, you will get 1 point, let's divide it again. So if you cancel here by 2, you will get 22. Here you will get 2.9 to 2.97, I think 97, 2.97 for 1 balance 19, 97, 22. So you can divide this by 11. So you get 2. 11 means 0.27, right? 0.27, 0.27. Then you will get 0.135 moles. So the number of moles of O2 gas is formed is finally 0.135, 0.135 moles come for the O2. For the O2 it's 2.7 grams divided by, this is simple. So 2 plus 16, 18. So 18 will be there. So 27 means 9 over 6, which is equal to 1.5. Yeah, it's 1.5. 1.5 moles. So here you'll get 1.5 moles. Here is formed. So now we have to go for this. So 6 nines, 12 nines are 108. 108 plus 20. So you will get 128. If you divide this one by 192, so 1.92 divided by 128. Like here something you have to know. Here this will be formed in the reacting moles. So 0.135, here 1.5, right? And here initially you need to have some moles here. Here it's completely reacted. So that's the main thing you have to know. Here we'll get 0.01, 0.01, and let's divide it again. 192, 128, 1 time 128. So we'll get 4. 4, 8 means 6.128, 5. So 4, so 128 into 5 times, right? Bear me for a second. 4, 10, 4, 1, 6, 4, right? Exactly 1.5. So you are going to get 1.5 moles here. 1.5 moles, and here you don't know the initial moles. So that's the question they are asking. They are asking the mass of O2 that is being used, right? So you need to know the moles. So let's take the number of moles of oxygen reacted be X moles. So initially there won't be anything. So 1.5 here exactly. Right. Now they said here another clue. They said C9H20 is actually on complete combustion. That means this has to be a complete limiting reagent. So here 1.5 reacts here. So the final product will be 0. So 1.5 into this. So there has to be a remaining here. Right? There has to be a remaining here. And keep in mind, since here you have a ratio you have to see here, right? There's a thing that is going on over here. Right, let's do it. So here you will get 1.5 into 14. So 15 into 14, you will get 60. Then 5 1. So 210. So you'll get minus 21, and here plus, here also plus 9. So you get x minus 21. You get x minus 21. Here there is something going on.